So this is for a 2017 HD Denali diesel truck. So originally when I first bought it, it had a ticking noise, consistent ticking noise on this side here, and as soon as I increased the throttle, the ticking noise would speed up. Now, around 1,700 miles, one of the push rods went. It was running on 7. So after they replaced all the push rods and the lines, now the ticking noise is just on the passenger side here. So let me turn it on real quick so you can hear what I'm talking about. Okay. So you go down here, you can hear this ticking noise. And obviously, like I said before, as the throttle increases, the ticking noise speeds up. Now, I've read a few times it could be a crack in the exhaust. It could be a possible line. But any advice, I'd appreciate it, guys.